Hash algorithm is a mathematical function that maps a string of arbitrary length to a fixed length string. It provides a mechanism to determine whether the original message has been modified in any way. In the hashing process, hash algorithm takes a plain text document as an input and produces a mathematical result for the two inputs. The result is called the hash value. The hash value and the asymmetric private key are input into the asymmetric algorithm, which produces a digital signature.
Digital signature is an electronic signature that can be used to authenticate the identity of the sender of a message or the signer of a document.
Confidentiality is the protection of data against unauthorized access or disclosure. With regard to the confidentiality of sensitive data in the hospital, confidentiality is achieved as the encrypted message can only be decrypted by the authorized person who is identified by his own private key.
Integrity is the protection of data against unauthorized modification or substitution to the information. This service provided by the cryptography merchant is called the message authentication code. Other than using message authentication code, we can also use digital signature. A digital certificate is using a digital form of identification, something like an NRIC with a unique identification number. A certificate contains identity of the entity as well as other supporting information like the serial number, validation date, and extensions. A digital certificate is issued by the certification authority. The authority will guarantee the validations of information in the certificate and the period of time, for example, a year.
Basically, non-repudiation prevents a sender or a receiver from denying a transmitted message. In other words, when a message is sent, the receiver can prove that the supposed sender was in fact the sender of the message. In the same way, when a message is received, the sender can prove that the supposed receiver did in fact receive the message.
Authentication is achieved when a person or the origins of an artifact is being verified and is said to be reliable.
Public key cryptography uses asymmetric key algorithms that uses two keys. A public key used to encrypt a message and a private key used to decrypt the message. The public key can be widely distributed while the private key is unique and kept secret from everyone else. The keys are mathematically related to each other, however, the private key can't be derived from the public key itself.